Chief Advisor Professor Dr. Mohammad Yunus will leave Dhaka this evening for London on a 4-day official visit to the United Kingdom, aiming to enhance bilateral relations. A flight of Emirates Airlines carrying the Chief Advisor and his entourage will depart Hazrat Shah Jalal International Airport for London at about 7:30 p.m. today. The Chief Advisor will be granted an audience with His Majesty King Charles III and hold bilateral talks with British Prime Minister Sir Keir Starmer. In a significant recognition of his global contributions, Professor Yunus has been nominated by King Charles III for the King Charles III Harmony Award 2025, honoring his lifelong work to promote peace, sustainability and harmony between people and the environment. As part of his public diplomacy efforts, he will deliver a special speech at Chatham House on the Royal Institute of International Affairs on 11th June. The Chief Advisor is expected to return home on 14th June.